Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you're actually going to make your heart map, okay? So remember, you can choose a heart or you can choose any shape that really means something to you. So what I'm gonna do is, right now I'm in present mode, so I'm gonna click exit. That way we can see the whole directions. So over here, it says how to make a heart map. So the first step is pick a slide that you want, that you really like for your background. And remember, if you don't like any of these backgrounds, you can change them. So ask me how if you don't know how. So I'm going to scroll through. I kind of like this one, so I'm going to pick this one. All right, so first things first. Notice over here, it's kind of like shaded, a faded yellow color if I click on the actual slide with the number. What I want to do is take my cursor and click here, okay, so that I see it's outlined in blue rectangle with tiny blue squares. Now what I'm going to do is add a shape, and there's two ways that you can do this. One is you can go to Insert, scroll down to Shape, and then where it says Shapes, you can pick any shape, again, that means something to you, okay? Or maybe that you just like. I'm going to pick a heart because I kind of like the idea of a heart map. So I'm going to pick that. Notice my cursor changed to like a plus, okay? So now I'm going to take one finger, hold it in the mouse, and drag it all the way down. Okay? Okay, because I want to make whatever shape I pick, I want to make sure that it fills the whole slide so I have enough space. Mine still doesn't, so I'm going to go down to the bottom square, and now my cursor looks like this arrow, like this. And again, I'm going to take one finger, click on that corner, and drag it down. So now it made it bigger. And I might need to do the same up here. Okay, once your shape is as big as you want it, now you can fill it. So notice it has a default, this gray color. Yours might not have a default. So if you want to change like the color of your shape, you can go here. Oh, wait, sorry. The second way to do a shape is on your toolbar, you might see something that looks like this. So it's like a circle square. It's a shortcut. So you can click on it and get to shapes. So again, two ways to get to shapes. Insert, scroll down to shape, go over to shape, pick the one you want, or find the circle square shortcut and then pick shapes. Okay, now we're ready to fill it in. So click on your shape. Again, you'll see the blue square, so you know you're doing the right thing. And on your toolbar, this is called your toolbar, find the paint bucket. Most of you guys already know how to do this, so you can fast forward through the video if you already know. If you don't, here's all your color choices, or you can go to custom and you can play with this, moving it over, this, and make your own color. Okay, we can go back to the paint bucket. You can also pick gradient, and you can pick from one of these, or again, custom. You can do all kinds of things. You can pick colors, you can add a second color, kind of make your own gradient. You can play with this. So it's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm going to go to the paint bucket and I'm going to pick gradient. There we go. Now, let's say you don't want anything to fill your shape. So just go back to the paint bucket, okay, and click solid. You have to click solid, and then click transparent. That means you can see through to the back. Now, that's pretty cool, although it might make it a little difficult when you start to divide your shape to make your map, but it's your choice. So I'm going to go back to gradient and stick with this color. Okay, so you have your shape, whatever it is. Now you're ready for the part where you have to divide it to make a map. Now, I'm giving you a lot of choice. So, and all of the teachers are. So this might be where maybe you have your shape divided into 3 pieces or 5 or 10. It's really up to you. You definitely need, I would say, to help you, more than 3. If you have less than 3, it might not be enough ideas for you, okay? Okay, so you can divide your shape in 2 ways. Or if you're super creative, maybe there's another way to do it. What I'm going to do is make lines in my first way. Okay, so again, I can go to my toolbar. I can click on the shortcut and it says line. Okay, notice my cursor changed to a plus, so that means I did it. Okay, I'm just going to start here and just hold one finger in my mouse and drag to the end. Boom, there's one line. Okay, notice that there's like a square around it. I can go to my toolbar, to these lines, and I can make them thicker. I can go to this little pencil with the line and I can change the color of my line. Ooh, if I want to. Okay, so now I need another line. So I'm going to go to my toolbar. I'm going to select line. Okay, oh, did you see this? Nope, I messed up. So I'm going to go back. Line. Now I'm good. I'm going to go here and I'm just going to draw it to the end, top there. There's my square. So that means I can go here, I can make it thicker, and I can change the color. Maybe I want this color. Maybe I'm going to get crazy. Okay, now I just kind of want to look. What do my lines look like? Now I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 places in my heart. Maybe that's good. Maybe I just want to move this one over or move this one over to make the spaces bigger. I can add more lines if I want to, okay? So that's one way. I'm going to click on the line and hit backspace on my keyboard to delete. Gone. Here's the second way that you can add spaces for your map. The second way is to go back to your toolbar, shortcut shape. Okay, maybe you want to use shapes to divide your map. You can totally do that. Maybe I want to use a triangle. That's going to be crazy. Maybe I do. Okay, notice it changed. So that means we're good. So I'm just going to put one triangle here. And maybe I want to stick with triangles. Feeling like a triangle day. I'm crazy. There's another triangle. I want to make sure they're big enough so you can write in them. All right. Maybe I do another triangle. I don't know. Maybe I do this one. Okay, notice how it's outside my heart. So if I click on it, now I see 4 arrows. That means I can move it. Okay. Okay, so I have 3 triangles. I really should try to have more than 3, remember? So I'm going to move these up. Look at my 4 pink arrows. When I click on it and you see 4 pink arrows, that means you can move, okay? I think I'm going to add one more triangle. This feels like the video game Tetris. You know this game? It's a little triangle. It's so small. All right, let me try to make it bigger. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now I can't write in these triangles yet. So I have to do another step. So I have my shape I have my spaces. Now I need to write. So I'm going to go to text box. Again, look at the toolbar. Look for the T for text box. I'm going to click on it. You see the plus? That means I did it. So I'm going to take one finger and hold it down and drag. Now I have a text box. When I let go, you see the blue square. Okay? So it's little. You see? It's little. So I can go here and I can pick a different number to make the word bigger. I can also click the plus sign here. Okay, I'm going to do this. So now I can start typing an idea. Oh no, where's the box? Just go back to your triangle, click on it. Now you see it again. Okay? So you have to take your finger and click in the mouse pad 2 times. 2 times. Now I can type. Okay? Okay, so I have one idea. Now I have to do the same thing for this one. Go to the T, one finger in the mouse pad, drag it, let go. It's little. So remember, what do we do? Yep, you can click plus to make the number bigger. See, 19, 20, maybe 24. Okay, and then you can type. Okay, next one, what do we do? Yep, toolbar, T for text, plus sign, so I did it right. One finger in the mouse pad, drag it, let go. Now we need to make it bigger. 24 maybe? You can choose. Okay, now notice this one is too big for the triangle. So you see the blue little squares? Click on a blue square, one finger, hold, drag. Like this. That's better. Okay, click anywhere to let go. Now I need one more. So I click on the triangle, go to the text box, one finger, drag, let go. Oh no, what happened? Click on the text box or the triangle. There it is. Okay. Make your font bigger. Double click, 2 clicks. Okay. So there you go. So if you use shapes like this to make your heart map, or if you use lines, you still need to make a text box. If you need help, make sure you ask a friend or your teacher. Good luck and have fun.